This video depicts real police activity and may be difficult for some viewers to watch.
Can somebody please come to me?
A frantic 911 call. A mother fleeing with her child, chased by her armed ex-boyfriend.
I think he busted my head open. I'm gushing out blood. And he's following me right behind me.
Within minutes, he opens fire into her car, right in front of a police sergeant. Fresno, California. A woman called 911 from her car after being pistol whipped by her ex-boyfriend in a shopping center parking lot. Her child was in the back seat as she fled the scene, terrified, while the suspect followed close in another vehicle.
911, state your emergency.
Can somebody please come to me? Somebody just hit me with a gun and I have my daughter. They're trying to kill me right next to me. Please, I'm bleeding. I don't know. I'm on shields. Please
Okay,
come.
are you on foot or in a car?
I'm in a car.
What kind of car?
I'm in a BMW.
What color?
A blue.
Are you alone in the car?
No, I have my daughter.
Okay, who was it that hit you?
It was an ex-boyfriend.
And he hit you with a
I
gun?
think he busted my head open. I'm gushing out blood. And he's following me right behind me.
Okay, hold on, okay? I'm getting the call in.
Dispatchers stayed on the line as she drove across town at high speeds. Police units closed in while she gave frantic updates, trying to escape.
Okay, he's like trying to hit my car.
So you're driving, you're not parked?
No, because he's like trying to abuse me right now. And yeah, my daughter's in the car, and he hit me with a gun.
He intentionally rammed the victim's vehicle while making threats on her life.
Stop! I'm bleeding and gushing out blood. I'm gonna kill you. Why are you saying that? Talk to me, or I'm gonna kill you right now. Why are you trying to kill me? Do it. Pull over, talk to me. Why? Just put the gun down. Please, my baby's in the car.
A Fresno Police Sergeant spotted the chase and pulled a U-turn to intercept.
All right, I have them.
Copy, I'll give it here.
All right, we are westbound Jensen, now crossing over the 41. They are both failing to yield. Any units close, pit is authorized. Have her pull over out of the way if possible.
Copy.
He's still chasing and ramming.
Charles 14, I'm with you, 102.
Moments later, the suspect pulled alongside the woman's car and fired into her passenger window.
You see your heads!
The suspect collided with two civilian vehicles. Determining the suspect remained an active threat to the public, the sergeant fired multiple rounds at the Mercedes.
I'm with you. You come out with your hands up, or we will shoot you again. Come out on the ground. I'm with you. You come out with your hands up, or we will shoot you again. Come out on the ground.
7 Charles 14, line of fire is going to be to the east. I need units to arrive from Jensen and 41. Let me take over for you, Sarge.
You got it.
Get out of the car! Do not reach for anything or I will shoot you! Get out of the car! Turn off my siren!
Siren!
Unlock the door! Get out! If you reach, you won't get shot! Come out! Face away from me!
Turn away.
Get out and face away! Keep your hands up! Get out of the car! Get out! Face away! Walk backwards! Hands up! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Get on your knees! On your knees, face away. Go hands, I got him. Someone get on car.
Backup arrived, and he was taken into custody. Miraculously, despite the exchange of gunfire, the suspect was not struck.
Charles 14, I'm with you 102.
Footage shows the victim throw her car into reverse, striking the sergeant's patrol SUV in a desperate attempt to escape. A round fired by the suspect pierced the passenger window and exited through the opposite rear window, the bullet traveling behind the victim's back and in front of her child, narrowly missing them both. His handgun was recovered from inside his vehicle. The victim was treated at the hospital for head injuries and cuts from broken glass. Thankfully, her child was not physically harmed. 3 others were injured in the crash, but survived. The suspect now faces charges, including 2 counts of attempted murder, felony child endangerment, domestic violence, assault with a deadly weapon, and multiple weapons violations. Officers never know what they'll face or how quickly a situation will escalate. If you found this video informative, subscribe for more real-world incidents and stay updated on how law enforcement handles high-stakes encounters.